A judge in the Tyler Robinson case has ruled that cameras will be allowed inside the courtroom for an upcoming preliminary hearing and denied the defense's other motions. Thanks for joining us on 2 News at 5. I'm Jim Spiewak.
And I'm Jamie McGriff. Natalie Wattis was in the courtroom all morning and is joining us now live from the 4th Judicial Courthouse in Provo. Natalie, what was on the table today?
Well, Jamie, Jim, today's proceedings centered around weighing the public's right to access about information of this case and Tyler Robinson's right to a fair trial. Tyler Robinson, accused of assassinating Charlie Kirk on Utah Valley University's campus in September, and his defense team were asking for several things today. First, to classify certain documents and attachments as private.
So what we're talking about is releasing preliminary evidence into the public sphere that has the potential to impact jurors.
Arguing that releasing them could make it hard to find impartial jurors and impact Robinson's right to a fair trial. And second, whether cameras should be allowed in preliminary hearings at all, and whether select portions of the April 17th hearing should be closed to the media.
The public is not being educated by electronic media. They're being biased by it.
The defense argued that rehashing what public figures have said about the case, as well as what they plan to discuss, like alleged confessions, and statements by Erica Kirk, President Trump, and Utah Governor Spencer Cox about the case would prejudice the public to an extent that changing the venue or expanding the jury pool would not be enough to remedy. The state refuted the defense's arguments, saying much of what will be discussed is already public.
So just saying that this is a content tornado or there's been a barrage of media coverage doesn't necessarily mean that there is going to be prejudice to the defendant.
In the end, Judge Tony Graf Jr. ruled not to classify what the defense was asking for and to allow cameras into the hearing, with the caveat that the defense can refile a motion to keep media out for certain parts of the hearing.
Accordingly, defendant's motion is granted in part and denied in part.
Now, the defense has until March 30th to file that new motion, and Tyler Robinson is expected back in court on April 17th. Reporting live from Provo, Natalie Wattis, KUTV 2 News.